How to share a Facebook post to Instagram. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to share a Facebook post to Instagram. The first step is to open the Facebook mobile application, just like you can see here. Once you are on the home page of the app, tap on the menu icon, which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the menu page of Facebook, where there are different options and sections to manage and access various features of your account. Scroll down and move to the bottom of this page. Here, you will see several options. From them, tap on the one named Settings and Privacy. Once you do that, the section will expand and show you more options, as you can see here. From those, make sure you tap this option named Settings. After that, you will land on the Settings page of Facebook, where you can manage a wide range of account preferences. From here, scroll until you see the Account Center option and tap on See More. This will take you to the Account Center, where you will see options to connect your profiles across Facebook and Instagram. Next, tap on Profiles. Once you do that, tap on Add Accounts. A new page will appear where you can see a list of Instagram accounts that can be linked. From them, select the Instagram account you would like to add. After choosing the account, tap Continue and finish the process of adding the account. Once you are done, go back to the home page of your Facebook account. Now, create a new post just like you normally do by adding photos, videos, or text. Before you post it, you will notice an option appearing asking whether you want to share the post also on Instagram. Make sure you turn on the toggle for Instagram. After that, proceed and share the post. It will then be posted to both your Facebook account and your Instagram account at the same time. The process is simple and very useful if you want to save time and ensure your content reaches both audiences simultaneously. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue, and now you know how to share a Facebook post directly to Instagram. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to share a Facebook post to Instagram.